How DNA works. Every person watching this video carries within them a microscopic instruction manual. It's tiny, invisible, yet it defines everything about you, from your eye color to your blood type, from your risk for certain diseases to your very unique fingerprint. This manual is called DNA, the blueprint of life. Today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of DNA and discovering exactly how it works. Chapter 1. What is DNA? DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule found in the nucleus of every cell in your body. Imagine it as a super-compact digital instruction book with billions of letters written in a four-letter alphabet: A, T, C, and G. These letters aren't random. They are the language of life, spelling out every detail about how your body functions and grows. Here's a fun fact. If you could stretch all the DNA in your body, it would reach the sun and back, over 300 times. Yet it fits inside cells smaller than the tip of a pencil. Chapter 2. The double-helix DNA's shape. The structure of DNA is iconic, a twisting ladder called a double helix. Picture a spiral staircase where each step is a pair of letters, a pairs with T and C pairs with G. These pairs are called base pairs. They form the rungs of the ladder, while the sugar-phosphate backbone forms the sides. This shape isn't just elegant, it's functional. The twist allows DNA to be incredibly compact, yet easy to unzip when the cell needs to read its instructions. Chapter 3. How DNA stores information. DNA stores instructions in the sequence of its letters, just like how letters form words and sentences. But instead of words, DNA has genes, sequences that tell your body how to make proteins, the building blocks of life. Here's a mind-blowing analogy. If your DNA were printed on paper, a single human's DNA would stretch over 10 million pages. That's a library bigger than anything you've ever imagined, all compressed inside a single cell. Chapter 4. DNA replication, copying life. Every time a cell divides, it needs to copy its DNA perfectly. This process is called replication. Enzymes act like super-precise copy machines, unzipping the double helix, reading each base, and matching it with its partner. A goes with T and C goes with G. Here's the insane part. The error rate is less than one mistake per billion base pairs. Think about it. Copying a book the size of 1,000,000 encyclopedias almost perfectly every time. Chapter 5. DNA to RNA to protein. The central dogma. DNA doesn't just sit there, it's constantly giving instructions. To do this, it sends out messengers called RNA. RNA acts like a photocopy of a gene, which is then read by ribosomes to build proteins. Proteins are the workers of the cell. They build structures, carry out chemical reactions, and even defend your body from invaders. Without DNA instructing protein production, your body wouldn't function at all. Every heartbeat, every thought, every blink relies on this incredible chain of command. Chapter 6. Mutations and evolution. Sometimes mistakes happen during DNA replication. These mistakes are called mutations. Most are harmless, but some can change a protein's function. Over millions of years, these mutations drive evolution, helping species adapt to their environment. Think about it. All the incredible diversity on Earth, from tiny bacteria to blue whales, is powered by tiny changes in DNA over time. Your own DNA is a living history of countless generations before you. Chapter 7. DNA in medicine and technology. DNA isn't just fascinating in theory, it's transforming medicine. By studying DNA, scientists can detect genetic disorders, develop personalized medicine, and even edit genes using tools like CRISPR. Imagine curing diseases before they even happen, or designing crops that can survive extreme climates. DNA is the ultimate code, and humans are just starting to learn how to read and rewrite it. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, inside every cell of your body is a microscopic code, billions of letters long, a living blueprint that makes you, you. DNA is not just the language of life. It's a cosmic instruction manual, written over billions of years and still being read every second. If you found this mind-blowing, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos that explore the wonders of science and the universe here on Brain Tenacity.